Good morning, first graders. We are on theme 6, week 1, day 2 of your KAM blueprints. The story for the week is The Sleeping Pig. The theme concept: real and imaginary animals have all kinds of adventures. Strategy, summarize, skill, story structure. Okay, yesterday we used our stretchers. Today I am going to say the sounds and you are going to say the word. Okay, here we go. First word has 4 sounds in it. Here we go. T, I, p. Word. That's right, trip. Next one, wa, a, t. Word. K, a, ch. Next word, mark. That's right, mark. And last word has 4 sounds, s, t, a, p, and word. Okay, great job. Let's move on to letter names. Letter. That's right, you should have said D out loud. Letter. Letter. Letter, 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 letter. Okay, and a regular word review. My turn word, give. 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 Your turn word, spell give, and word. My turn word, good. G-O-O-D. Good. Your turn word, spell good, and word. My turn word, her. H-E-R. Her. Your turn word, spell her, and word. My turn word, little. Your turn word, my turn word, little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Word, little. Your turn word, spell little, and word. My turn word, try. T-R-Y. Try. Your turn word, spell try, and word. My turn word, was. W-A-S. Was. Your turn word, spell was, and word. My turn word, fly. F-L-Y. Fly. Your turn word, spell fly, and word. My turn word, hour. O-U-R. Hour. Your turn word, spell hour, and word. Okay, here comes that long one. You guys got this though. Here we go. Listen to the word, watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Your turn word, spell watermelon, and word. Okay, here we go to letters, sounds. Sound. So again, we're focusing on that long O and long U sounds. So when you see this card, when I say sound, you should have said U, because this E makes that U say that long U sound. 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 And let's go on to blending. So I'll do the first one with you. So W, sound, A, blend, way, sound, K, blend, wake, word, wake. That's right. Okay, next one you're going to do the sounds and blend without me. Sound, sound, blend, word. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, word. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, word. Sound. This one's going to have 2 syllables, so we're going to do the first syllable, the second syllable, and then blend them together. So sound, sound, blend, sound, blend. Okay, sound, blend, sound, blend, sound, blend, word. So you just said first syllable ra, second syllable bit, blend, rabbit, word, rabbit. Way to go, first graders.